Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Living a Little. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to talk about one good thing and one bad thing. One good thing: when you're traveling to India, I know it's so confusing to figure out what things to carry and what not to carry for friends and family, so I've shared a small snippet of few things you should know. And secondly, the bad part is, so I traveled from Dublin to Delhi via London Heathrow Airport. I did not receive my luggage back. So it's been 2 weeks. I have no updates, guide you guys about the process and the procedure on how the lost baggage claim is done. Guys, I just lost my baggage. So guys, this is one big suitcase which is full of my family and friends' presents, and I'll show you which all things I got. And we usually get a lot of things in India which is similar to in Ireland, and the prices and the differences is not that huge, so you need to be very smart and you need to be good with your purchase. And I'll try to show a few things which might help you to make some decisions and get things when you're traveling to India. But let's find out what I have in my suitcase. Let's find out few Irish stuff which you think might be useful. These are Irish short butter bread. These are really tasty. You can get it in Carol's shop, and on the airport shops you can take some Irish key rings with some Irish idea behind those. If somebody is interested, they have some fridge magnets. I'm not a huge fan of fridge magnet, but you can get one for your home. These cost you around 3 to 5 euros. And for someone who loves chocolate, I think Butler's is a must try. I got this for my family last year. These are some Irish neck pieces. You get it in sterling silver. If somebody is jewelry specific, you can buy these for 30-40 euros. I worked into Carol's shop. For kids, you can get this sheeps, and they have huge Ireland t-shirts for 5 to 10 euros, and there are few discount if you buy on the pair. All these things you can get into Carol's shop or on the airport shop. This is merino wool, and it is from 100 to 150 euros. So for aged people in the house, you can buy these stuff. Guinness is also a huge store in Ireland. You can buy Guinness product. And for someone who loves liquor, you can buy Bailey's or Jameson Irish whiskey. It will cost around 50 to 30 euros. There is this huge chocolate section. I would recommend picking up chocolates which are Irish brand, like this one. You can also pick one of the best hot chocolates, which is Butler's, and it was around 5 euros. And they have some Irish whiskey truffles, which is 10 euros. If you visited Ireland on a tourist visa, ask for tax-free form on each shop where you are purchasing and drop that form here to get the tax refund. It's been 2 weeks. I have asked my brother not to touch anything in the suitcase, but he picked a few things because he was excited for what I got to him. And he actually wore a few things, but I'll still show you what I have purchased, how much it cost me, and what is the best way to do the shopping in Ireland. And here on the top you could see these are my family pictures. This is my brother, this is my dad, this is my mom and dad. I'll show everything later. One is the jacket over. This is a overshirt which I have got from Zara, and I think this is something unique for somebody in India and who lives in North India where there is a bit of winters. My brother really loved the quality, he really loved the look, so I got this overshirt for him last winter during the December sale in Zara, and I got this for just 17 euros, and I think it's one of the good purchase. I have done my purchase mostly during the December sale and the January sale. Most of the things which you will see in my suitcase are mostly discounted prices. So this was for 45, I got this for 10, and it was a great deal. So as I told you, my brother is into gymming and all, and he really liked trying some good breakfast. I thought I would get him some muesli or some different grains bag from Ireland. This was just 2 or 2.5 euros. So I got Nike shoes for my brother and my dad. One is in the missing luggage and one my brother has wore. Once he's back, I'll show you. So I got this really cute scented candles from Pennies. This was 4 euros and I got this on discount. This was 1 euro. I got like 7 to 8 pairs of this. I still don't have all of them here. And This one is Masha and Bear. My cousin really watches Masha and Bear and she really wants this, so I just got him from amazon.uk. This one was 30 pounds, I guess. Yeah. Then some cookies. My brother loves trying new things, so I got this chocolate brownie cookies from Tesco, 2 euros. This was also 1 or 2 euros, I don't remember. Then there was discount in Sligo. I got this Tommy t-shirt which was 45 euros, but I got this on discount for 20 euros. For the kids in the house, I got these jeggings, which was the actual price for these was 5 euros. This was again on December shopping and this all is messed up. I have got 3 to 5 super dry t-shirt. The actual price for these t-shirts were around 30-40 euros and I got this for 10 euros. I've got 4 to 5 pairs. You could see me wearing these super dry tees in my Instagram videos as well. And for a change for the kids in the house, I got this Kinder Bueno. I really love this chocolate and it's something you do not get in India. And these are few dresses from Zara which I again got on the discounted prices. These were around, the actual price was around 40 to 30 euros and I got these for 10-20 euros. So these are all the dresses. I really wanted to shop some cute stuff for kids. We have Zara H&M in India. So I wanted to buy something different. So I got this tutu skirt. Then I got this just for 7 euros. I really love the look of this and I'm sure the kids gonna love this. For the kids in the house, this pair was on full price. There is no discount. So this one was for 20 euros and these pants were 20 euros, like 17-50 euros. And I really like the color or the combination which we get in next. So I would highly recommend, if you are purchasing kids stuff and you want to get for Indian people, go check out things from Next. I really love the color and I really love the quality. This is another cute little frock which I got from Next. This was also on full price. This is 16.50. Then again these, let me show you this. I also got dried cranberries. I really love this in the breakfast and my family also like adding with oats and muesli. So I got hazelnut, cranberries and other few berries as well. I'll show you. I also got this watch for my mom. The actual price for this one was 200 euros and I got this for 150 euros from H. Samuel shops. And my mother is a teacher. I think it's a suitable fit for her daily school outfit. These are some pair of woolen caps which my aunt has ordered. She said like you don't really get some good quality in India. So I ordered this from H&M. All these are almost like 5, 6, 8, 10 euros. The best one is this one, which is mini. I'll show you when I'll I'll show you on Instagram when I will give these gifts to kids, how they're gonna react over those. And for my other niece, I got these Adidas sneakers. The actual price for these sneakers were 40 to 50 euros. Again, I got this on discount and this was just 16 euros. This is another dress I purchased from Varamoda. This was 45 euros. I got this for 20 or 15 euros. Guys, you know, I had a suitcase full of ethnic clothes in Ireland. Huge luggage space, which was 23 plus 23. So I carried all my ethnic clothes because it's the wedding season in my house and I need to wear all this ethnic, and I wanted to get rid of extra luggage in my Ireland house. Unfortunately, I do not have everything. This was one of the best pair I had. So I just had the bottom. I don't have the top. I don't have the dupatta because it's in the lost suitcase. Cute little tutu skirt from H&M or Zara, I don't remember. This was also 5 to 10 euros. And this one is for my grandma. She really loves great body wash and that too the fragrance of rose. So I got her this huge rose body wash. This was 15 euros and this was from TK Maxx. This is my bhai, he's back from gym. These were the shoes I was talking about. Joote dikhao apne. So these were for 50 euros and I got it on discount for 30 euros. So guys, that was a small snippet of what few things which I carried from India. So let me also post some suggestions on what various other things you can purchase for family members or your friends back in India if you're traveling from Ireland. So if you want to purchase home decor or if you want to purchase some cute little things, you can go to Pennies and Duns. You can also check out at TK Maxx for any winter jackets. The few clothing brands which I feel are good to do clothing shoppings are Pull & Bear, Bershka, Zara. You get huge discount which you do not get in India. and you can visit River Island store. They have huge discount. They do have student discount as well. I would have missed out a lot of things, so post some suggestions for the viewers around so that they can do a smart purchase, and they can do some smart purchase, and they can save some time during the purchase, and they can have a peaceful purchase time. I have had a huge stress while doing all these purchases for everybody in the house. It's not that easy. So I hope my suggestion help you a lot, and if this video is helping you, go hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.